Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another full stack e-commerce website that I'm going to share the link to the source code on the description link. So you need to check the description to get the source code of this full stack e-commerce platform where you can sell and purchase products, where you can sell directly to customers, and you can scale your brand and make your business bigger. This is a particular e-commerce website that functions like Alibaba, AliExpress, Amazon, and other big brands e-commerce websites. So this e-commerce website will not only transform your business, it will also showcase your products in a very beautiful way. You can see what we have built here. This particular e-commerce website is going to be for sales. The source code is going to be for sales, and the description, the link to this source code will be placed on the description. So you need to check the description to get the source code. Thank you. So this e-commerce website is for people that maybe you are a developer and you want to add some project to your portfolio, or maybe you are a business owner and you want to start selling product online, or maybe you are a e-commerce director and you want to get an e-commerce website for your brand. This particular e-commerce website is a ready-made e-commerce website that is packed with all functionality of a full stack e-commerce website. There's nothing to add, there's nothing to remove. You can customize it to your own taste, and everything here is customizable. So this is what we have built so far at Web Developer Africa. So we built this particular website so that it will be very easy for e-commerce brand owner or e-commerce website owner will be able to sell their products immediately without paying developers to build an e-commerce website for them, without paying developers a huge of amount to build a very brand big e-commerce website for them. So this website is just going for as low as $30 on Gumroad. So I will share the link on the website on the description section, so you should do well to check. So now this is the functionality of this e-commerce website. You can see how beautiful it is and how well it is showcasing this our products. We have what we call the spinner loader. This spinner loader is handled by the back end. So all these products are stored on our SQL database. So we are using PHP to build this full stack e-commerce website. PHP allows us to customize and build platforms like this. So the best stack to create e-commerce website like this is PHP. So don't be confused. Don't try to use React.js or Firebase to build something like this. If you want a scalable e-commerce website, the best start to go for is PHP. You need to know how to use PHP to be able to build something like this. But with the help of Web Developer Africa, we have make it very simple for you to navigate through with our admin dashboard. This admin dashboard contains all the necessary information that you need to customize your e-commerce website and to make your e-commerce website the best taste that you ever want. So here we have dashboard. We have where you can manage categories, subcategory, and shared categories. So if you don't have any knowledge of coding or any knowledge of PHP, then you are still good to go to use this e-commerce website. So you just need to click on buttons and start setting up. Either you want to enable or disable, edit or delete. So all these buttons are here to guide you through, and they are well described. So here you can manage products, either the brand products, you can add products, you can view all products, you can check stock out products, campaign offer, and you can import and export products. You can also add manual reviews to your products so that when users comes to your store, they will see a lot of reviews, and that will also push them to buy that particular product. So you can manage orders. You have your pending order, progress order, and all sort of orders here. This is a section where you can manage all your orders. So on this e-commerce is where you can start your marketing strategies. Either you want to set a coupon, you can also add a shipping fee, state tax, currency, and payment method. When it comes to payment method, we integrate almost all the payment method that we know that it will be very useful in the e-commerce world. So we have Stripe, we have PayPal, we have Money, we have Paytm, Razorpay, SSL, we even have Paystack, even Flutterwave and bank transfer. So all these e-commerce all these functionality were integrated to make everything simple for you. So now let us go back to the functionality of this e-commerce website. So this e-commerce website is a very good one that display products in their best way. Look at the way this particular product was displayed. If it was you that land on this particular page, I am very sure you are going to purchase this dress, not only because of the way it was showcased, but another thing is you can also view more of that particular product, and you can also zoom that particular product just like the way they do on Amazon. So here you can increase the product and you can see the price is also changing. You can add a short description of that product and you can click on read more to read more of it here. There's also a specification of that particular product, and now you can select the color of that particular product. And what about size? Yes, you can also select size of that product. You can add to cart. I can add to cart as a guest on this e-commerce website, and I can also buy now as a user on this e-commerce website. You can also compare, you can add wish to list, and you can also share this particular product. So all your users have all means of functionality that they need to either promote your own product or to help you to sell this particular product. So you'll be making a lot of money from this particular e-commerce website if you purchase it and you start selling your products. So now we have also you may also like products here. So if a user select this particular dress, our algorithm is going to compare this particular product to other products that look alike like this product. So we have dress over here, and here we also have some dresses over here too. So this is a particular look alike product that our client is searching for. So if they are not interested in buying this particular dress, once they scroll down, they'll be able to find another dress that might be of their interest. So from here, they can also click on the particular product to display the product, and to this product that product will be shown to them so they can purchase the particular product. You can also add reviews here, and you also add the reviews on your e-commerce dashboard, and it's going to appear here. So I just want to showcase this product. I'm not really going deep in the functionality and how it works. So when you get the code, when you get the source code, which is going to we'll be selling it on Gumroad. So we can schedule a call or video call with you, and we're going to teach you how you're going to set it up and how you're going to start running your e-commerce brand immediately you purchase the source code. So this is the best source code you will ever want in e-commerce, in your e-commerce journey. So we have all this functionality here, which I showed you guys earlier. We have a lot of things here. I just want to let you know that this is the best e-commerce website you have come across on a YouTube channel. There won't be any tutorial video on this particular e-commerce website. It's just for a showcase, just to set our source code so we can make a living out of the development. So that is why we are showcasing this particular product. So if you want to work with us, or you want to give us a particular project, you can also contact us on this YouTube channel. So we have our means of contact on our YouTube channel portfolio, so you can check our profile and get our contact information. So we also have categories here where user can easily navigate through all your products by categories, so they can select any kind of categories that they want, and they can view all categories that they want like this. And the best thing again about this e-commerce website is the search functionality. This search functionality can also be displayed this way. You would have seen this type of display on big brand e-commerce websites. Yes, they use this as another way to generate income on their e-commerce websites, which we have also integrated for you. This is the best e-commerce website you will be buying if you want to own an e-commerce brand. I would like to say you need to check this particular product out and see if it's something that will work for you. So once you have this particular e-commerce store, e-commerce scripts with you, you can start selling immediately without no further ado. So that will be all for this e-commerce website. If this interests you, check the description section for the link to buy this particular product. We also have our flash deals on this e-commerce website, and we also have our cart. So if user add to cart, that is if user add to it, right? So they will need to log in before they can be able to purchase the particular product, which is the best functionality of an e-commerce website. So now I wanted to add to cart. So I added to cart successfully. So if I hover on this cart, you can see that the product I added to cart is here already. So if I add another product to cart, it's going to be there also. So you can see we have 2 already. So we can add as many as product that we want. We can add them to cart, and we can now move from cart to this particular section where we can add our coupon, or we can check out immediately. So here is where you can check out immediately, and this particular phase is very beautiful. Like, it makes your customer to feel comfortable, and it makes them feel very comfortable, because the interface, the design are very clean, and this is the best you have ever seen on YouTube channel. So if this is how it's work here, you can go back to cart, you can continue, you can do all sort of information here. So you can also edit. All these particular pages are editable. You can also edit them according to how you like it. So we have, once they enter their information for their billing address, you also request for their shipping address, then you review the products and make their payments. So this is also, we also have the blog section. The reason why we have blog section on this e-commerce website is this is the only way you can use to generate more traffic to your e-commerce website. Once you post a blog on your e-commerce website, you can distribute this particular blog to all social media platforms. So if it interests them, they can come over to read this particular blog, and from there we integrate a way they can also start shopping on this e-commerce website. So this is one of the best e-commerce websites that I've ever seen, trust me. So this is Universal Store e-commerce website. It's available for sales right now. You need to get the source code, and we can set everything up for you for free. They are not charging you for setup fee. The only thing you need to buy is your domain. Once you purchase your domain, your domain will surely come with a control panel, which we know as cPanel. So once you have your cPanel credentials and you have your e-commerce script from us, we are going to set it up for you for free. And also your logo will also be designed for you for free. So you have all this information for free from us at Alibaba Developer. So once you purchase this product, just give us a like, give us a notification. We will be notified once you purchase this product, and we will message you on email immediately, so we can proceed to setting up your e-commerce website and making it the best experience for you. So this, we also have the login interface here, where user can log in and register. And as you can also see, there is also a beautiful animation loading, which will also make the user to focus on this particular product. I think I'm having them today, so it works now. So this is the login and the register information. So here we can also change currency. We also have different currency here, Actually, you can edit this currency on your admin dashboard page. You can edit your currency. So once you are done with that, the currency that you choose will be the currency that will be used on the e-commerce website. So here you can also track order. Your user can track their orders by inputting the order number that will surely be on that particular product, and they can click on track them. So if the order was found, it will be displayed here, and if not, order not found will be displayed. So now we have our wish list, our compare, and you know how all these things work, and this is the best e-commerce website we would have seen or come across on YouTube channel. So this is one of our best products ever, and we are proudly to introduce this particular e-commerce website to you guys, so you guys can feel free to start your e-commerce journey without any fear of paying a huge amount to developers to help you build a full stack e-commerce website. So you can also edit this scrollable, and everything here is editable. Trust me, don't worry, we are going to set it up for you. Once you already purchase this particular script, we will set everything up for you, and you will really love everything we need to do for you.
Yeah.